Hey guys, it's Wasik from TGN with Jahid and Mr. Sabik, and today they're going to be demonstrating an IELTS Band-Aid speaking exam, and this is from our head office in Dhanmondi. So you guys stay tuned and enjoy.
Are you ready to take your exam?
Yes.
Well, we shall begin then. What is your name?
My name is Mohammad Sabikul Kabir. You can call me Kabir.
Let's start off talking about where is your hometown?
My hometown is in the heart of Bangladesh, which is Dhaka.
Is that a big city or a small place?
It's a really very big city because almost half the population of the country lives in Dhaka.
Do you like your hometown?
Yes, definitely. I love my hometown because that's my root.
What do you like most about your hometown?
Well, I like about the traditions and the cultures of these people, and I love their food.
Do you cook?
No, I don't cook. The last time when I tried to cook, I almost burned the whole kitchen.
Do you have your breakfast at home every day?
Yes, I have my breakfast every day at my home with my family.
What housework do you like or dislike doing?
Well, I like to do the dishes every time, but I hate washing the clothes.
Do you like puzzle?
Yeah, definitely. I love puzzles.
When do you do puzzle? During your trip or when you feel bored?
When I feel bored, that's the time, especially when I do the puzzling, and I try to do it with my family and my friends too.
Do you like doing word puzzle or number puzzle, and which is more difficult for you?
I like the word puzzle because I hate doing the maths and I'm not good with numbers, so that's why I love the word puzzle. And I find the number, as I have already said, that I hate the number puzzle, so that's it.
Well, Mr. Sadiq, this is your end of part 1 section, and now we will move on to part 2 section, which is the cue card. I will be giving you a cue card and a piece of paper so you can write down something, and you will have 1 minute to think about, to prepare about, and 2 minutes to talk about it. Well, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so here's a cue card.
I'm ready.
Ready? You should start now.
So today I'm going to talk about a place in my country that I would like to recommend every visitors and travelers to go over. Okay, so this place is called the Cox's Bazar, which is the biggest and iconic sea beach in the whole world. And it's about 120 kilometers of an uninterrupted sea beach. And the famous thing for the Cox's Bazar Sea Beach is, I can say, surfing, because a lot of teenagers, students, and I've seen grown-up people and also the old people doing the surfing over there. And this place is also famous for the dishes of the seafood, crabs, lobsters, prawns, shrimps, squids, anything you name it. Alright, so and this place is situated at the southeast part of the country, just near the Chattogram district, and yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna talk about what sort of things people can do over there. People can get their gather at their local markets from where they can buy any items, food items, which they can cook according to with their preferences, and they can buy homemade, crafted items made with the items which they can find near the seashore, like the seashells especially, and some pearls. So they can go and grab them from the local supermarkets and regular markets. And people can also buy a kind of sweet dessert from there, which is called char, which is basically made from a type of seed which tastes sour. So I would like to recommend this place to visitors, especially because of the cooking style, because the food is really very spicy and the flavor is just flawsome. And this is something delicious, and this is something new to have for the people who lives abroad and who doesn't have much communication about this topic, like from where they can get food with so much spice. So yeah, that would be the end of my talk.
Well, it was a nice conversation, and now we will move on to the section 3, which is the topic discussion. And I'll be asking you some questions related to the cue card. Is it important to take photos while traveling?
Yes, definitely, because I can say that we should capture the moment, because if we capture the moment, then we can enjoy it later, even after 4 or 10 years, anytime.
Can you trust other people's travel journals on the internet?
That's a very argumentative question for me, because sometimes I do feel like they are like doing the right thing, or they are showing the right thing, and sometimes I do feel like they are showing off and they are being extra about a place. And I can also say that they are paying the travel journals to show that their restaurant or any pub or bar is like great.
What factors affect how people feel about traveling?
I can say it's about the expenditure of the whole journey, and also the cost, and also the busyness of the city, or the amount of cars or any vehicles they can get through.
Will you go to a foreign country to travel because of the district landscape?
Well, no, because I'm more of like a person who loves and enjoys the city, so there's no chance of saying anything related to the landscape view.
How can tourists have a good travel experience?
Well, they can get to any place with their friends, of course, because if you travel somewhere with your family, you are not allowed to do certain things which you can do with your friends or among the people of your age.
What kinds of comments do travelers typically leave online after a trip?
Well, for my country, I can say that they leave certain messages to people or the viewers, like they should not trust everyone whom they meet or whom they come across while walking at those cities.
Well, Mr. Sabikul Kabir, this is your end of your speaking session.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.